Hi everyone, this is Judy, and I've received this box in the mail a couple days ago, and my husband said this was Christmas in July. It's a Christmas in July Happy Meal present for me, and I really don't know what's in it, so I haven't opened it yet. So it's still sealed, and I thought I would open it up on here. So this is a Christmas in July, an early Christmas present, and I'm going to open it up here. I don't know what it is, so here I go. I thought I would open it up on camera. So this is Happy Meal from my husband. I'm excited. He wouldn't let me open it. He had to spray it down with some Lysol, and it had to set for a couple days. I've been wanting to open it, but he said it might have the virus on it, so he wouldn't give it to me. I got a paper in there. Okay, I'm going to take everything out, unboxing, and he ordered this from, I'm opening a big one first. This is from HSN, and it's got this box, and I'm going to open this one first. Two more things in there. And it says, make something great. Since we haven't been going anywhere or anything, he just took the money that he's been taking my daughter. He bought my daughter some stuff and bought me some stuff. So we haven't been going out eating, so he figured he'd buy us some stuff with the extra money that he had from us not going out eating and all, since we've been quarantined in the house for so long. I'm getting it there. Okay, I'm super excited. Woo! I'm excited. It is a diamond press Marquise die cutting machine. Oh, he knew I wanted that. And this is a die cutting machine. This just came out in April. It's a new machine that just came out in April, and I was watching it on HSN, but I didn't order it because I had ordered the Cricut machine. So with the extra money that he had, and then he said Christmas in July for me, he got me a little portable. This is only like 3 to 4 pounds. I have a die cut one, but I don't have a small one where I can be easy to move here from here to here. Oh, this is cool. I've had my eye on this in April, and it's easy to pick up, and won't have to grab my scissors, my big scissors, Big Shot Plus for all my little dies that I got. Oh wow, I'm super excited. This Christmas in July is awesome! Oh, wow. Okay, I got that open. Let me see what else is in there. Oh, it sticks to the table too, so it won't move when you're working with it. Oh, that's cool. That's all. Diamond press Marquise die cutting machine. Oh wow, I have fun with that. Okay, here's another thing that was in there. I'll open it up. Oh wow, this is something to go with that. Oh, some dies. And let's see, let me look at the page and see what it is. See what the name of it is. Oh, this is the Diamond Press Spinning Pop-Up Card Kit. Dies. Oh, ain't that cool? So now I got some dies, and I can use the dies that I already own. So I got that. That's called the Diamond Press Spinning Pop-Up Card Kit. So I can make spinning pop-up cards with these die cuts. Let's see what it comes with. It's got some stamps in here too. Some clear stamps. Oh wow, it's got the instructions. How to make your spinning. Oh wow. Oh, and it comes with some string, I guess, to make it spin around. I don't know if you can see it. And it comes with, oh wow, it comes with some of these clear acrylic stamps. And it comes with some more clear acrylic stamps. Oh, and this is the plate that they show that you put it in here after you put your this here and your paper in there, and you just turn it and it goes through. That's one of those. I'll have to show it. Wow, this is a good Christmas in July. Wow. This is such a surprise. I'm super excited. This is awesome. I did have a smaller die cut machine, but it was a cutter bug, and he knew that I couldn't get no more plates for it. So why dig out the big die cut machine when you're only going to cut one die cut? You need a small one when you're just going to cut couple things. You don't need a real big one. So this is going to come out pretty handy for me, because I got a whole bunch of these. I got a whole bunch of these die cuts, small ones that I can use with this machine, and this is great. I'm super excited. Thank you, husband. Thank you, hubby. But I do miss eating out, though. I surely do miss doing that. Okay, it's got one more thing in here. Oh, wow. One more thing and that's it, everyone. Ah, I need that to carry my die cut machine in it. Oh wow, this is cool. Oh, this is a nice bag. And all this stuff here came HSN. That's on the paper. Oh wow. Oh, a nice bag. I can put a lot of dies in here. Have my machine in here. Oh wow, this is cool. The zipper works good. And it matches the machine. See, it matches the machine really good. Oh wow, I got a matching set here. And that can go in there and I can carry it anywhere I want. I can put a lot of dies in there. Die cut, die, look how much space I got in there. This is cool, I love it. I wanted one of these little diamond press machines. I'm gonna measure it, see how big it is. I'm gonna measure the machine, but you can put all these in there. You put all your die cuts in there, and you still got a lot of room in there. Oh wow, I love this bag. And this is portable and it's light and it's not big and bulky like my Sizzix Big Shot Plus machine. And I really needed a little one like this and I'm so excited to get it. I'm going to measure how big this opening is. Oh, this opening here is 4.5 inches wide. So that'll fit all the embossing folders I got. All the ones I got, I can emboss in here. This is perfect. Fit all my small dies in there. That's great. I love it. That's awesome. Oh, I forgot to take this out of there. Got something in the box. And this here came with one of these. The ones that you take it through there. You put your dies in here and your paper. And then it cuts out your image that you're rolling through here. Oh wow, that's cool. I love it. And it's got a little user guide. It shows you that you put your dies in there. This is a die cutting and embossing machine. So be on the lookout for some tutorials. I'm super excited. Can't wait to get started with this. Oh wow, this is cool. And this machine, it's not that big. It's like 6.5 inches wide. But from the handle to this handle would be like 9 inches wide. But from here to here would be 6.5. And how tall would be 5.5 tall. From this handle to this side is 9 inches. From the bottom to the other side is 6.5. From top to bottom is about 5.5 tall. This is super portable, and I love it. And it's got like a, when you got it on a table, it like grips to the table and it don't move when you're oh, it's really stuck. Oh, I love it. And I can keep all of it right in my bag. Oh wow. This is a very nice Christmas in July Happy Meal from my husband. No, he always gets me what I want. And that's about it. That's all that I got. I got the bag, the machine, and some diamond press die cuts. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And please like and comment. And I'm super excited for my new diamond press machine. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Be blessed. Bye bye.